I know the stage that I was at when I started this business up. Like, I clearly remember 2 days before I jumped on the call with her, I was literally sitting on my bed, bawling my eyes out because I'm the type of person that puts a lot of pressure on themselves. And I was like, I need to make something of myself. Like, I'm turning 19 soon and then 20 in another year or so, and then, 10 more years and I'm 30. Like, it was a bit scary for me. So I was like, I would jump on a call with you. No, I was like crying on my bed and I was like, okay, I don't know what to do. Like, I need a sign, like I need to start something new. Like, should I just start my own business and blah, 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 blah. So many thoughts in my head. And I was like, okay, there's nothing to do. I'm just gonna kind of wait it out. And then when that girl messaged me, I was very skeptical. Like, when you get a message from like some random person online and you think it's a scam. So I didn't really trust it, but I was like, okay, maybe this is a sign because I was literally bawling my eyes out 2 days ago. So maybe it's the universe telling me I need to start something new and take this risk. So I did that. I got started up, put my money into the business, and since then I've obviously been able to travel a lot. Like, I've been to quite a lot of places in the last like year and a half, as well as being able to host a lot of events around New Zealand, and I'm flying over to Australia in literally less than 2 days to host not host but speak at another event, which is very, very exciting. But yes, like obviously with network marketing and trading and investing, I know a lot of people are very skeptical to start up with things like this, especially online with a complete stranger. But trust me, like, that risk is so worth it. Like, when I tell you, I cannot be more grateful. Like, I was literally talking to my sister the other day because she started the business with me as soon as she turned 18. So I was like, imagine if I started when I was your age. Like, imagine where I would be in like another year's time. But at the end of the day, like, there's no wrong time to start a business like this. But I'm grateful that I did start when I had the opportunity to and didn't wait around or thought too much about it, because that's where a lot of people get stuck, especially girls. Like, they need to think over and over about it and then they never end up actually doing it. And I've done that before with a lot of business ideas and stuff that I had. But yeah, so I've obviously been in the industry for nearly 2 years, and I do mentor other girls and guys in this industry to do with like trading and investing and network marketing. Obviously, I'm not an advisor or anything, but just helping them through the products and platforms, and also just building up on those sales and network marketing skills on social media, especially because in New Zealand, we don't get paid for social media like people in America do. So the best way we need to do it is just by having an online business where that could bring us some income through helping other people getting started up on the business and everything like that. But yeah, there's like a little bit about me. And on the side, I just love going out to the gym, being really active, and just, yeah, I'm a creative person, but haven't really done a lot of the things I used to do before I started this business up. But at the end of the day, I do get to travel and work on my own with my own schedule, which is something that I'm really grateful for. But yeah, is that kind of everything you wanted me to cover?
That's incredible, incredible. I'm like very, very fascinated. So you were originally getting into fashion, you said, right? So how
Yeah.
like that, like what was that transition like or that jump like? Because that's a completely different industry to go from
Yeah.
fashion to literally stocks and trading.
I know everyone says that. Like, personally, I didn't know anything about trading and investing before as well. But I was like, okay, maybe I'll just try something new. Like, I just hate going to a 9 to 5, and I knew if I did start my own business, it would take a bit of time for me to build that income, especially with fashion design. So I just went and started with the trading and investing, learning and having an income coming through. It was very different. Like, I still do love fashion design. I do like to make stuff every now and then. But now that I think about it, like, it's really because like the age that we live in now, there's a lot of businesses to do with like clothing and fashion and stuff like that. So it's good to have a business that's to do with money and sales and just helping other people out, like things like network marketing and stuff. So I just had a really good sit down with myself, and I was like, is like, out of fashion design and trading, investing in network marketing, like, which will be the most beneficial for me in the next, like, 5 years. And fashion design wasn't something that was very, I guess, like 100% for me. So I was like, I'll just give this business a try. If I don't like it, I'll go back and start my own business with fashion design. But obviously, I've sticked around for so long now, I don't even want to go back. So yeah, it's a bit different, but I do love it.
That's incredible. So when the person reached out to you, were you doing anything that, what were you doing to capture their attention? Like, were you trying to dabble into trading? Like, how did that all
No.
transpire?
So she sort of found my TikTok actually. So she found me on my TikTok.